Hello, tubers and model boat enthusiasts across the nation. Since Dr. Jet's super secret plans have been revealed, I thought I'd give just a couple more details on how I'm building this. You notice what I have here. I have the already built one side of the tub, and rather than building the other side on the plans, I'm building this side on the other built side to compensate for any little inaccuracies. These magnetic building boards are great in that it's perfect for building like this. Now you notice I'm about to glue in this next piece right here, and so I slip a little bit of wax paper under that particular joint. Then I'll cut this piece, then I'll cut it and glue it, and then I'll make this piece, and then when I put my joiner tube in here, I'll use it as a spacer to space out this next piece, and the same when I put this little block in there. So this tube fits real tight in that little hole I've constructed. And so now I'm working on the big cross members. So I've got these two, and this one to make. And then I'll start doing all the 1/8 cross bracing, and this side will be done. Back to my weight estimates, I was guessing a whole lot. If this side and this side total 9 grams, all the cross bracing and such is going to be less than that amount. In fact, all this might be 7-8 grams. So there's 9, so there's 16 grams. There's half an ounce for the tub. So, and I was guessing an ounce. So we'll see, but this thing's coming out just weighing nothing. And a handful of cross braces across here at specified locations. I've got big ones and small ones depending on my strength needs. For example, I got big ones here because the battery is going to be sitting on those two, might sit on this one as well. So that's my battery compartment up there. And then of course I put big ones across here because I got to tape this joint and so forth. So there's a lot of thinking that went into which stick goes where. And so there's just a little update from the not-so-secret Stinkbugwerks. We're rapidly approaching a haul. I got to make a Costco run today. I got to make coffee. Got a lot of things other than model boats to do, but I'll get at least these large members done today. These, when I do these, I glue in the back one. That's my dimension. And then I put in a piece of 16th inch ply, push this one up real tight against it, and then glue it on. And you notice it's a good tight fit with the 16th ply, but not so tight that it's impossible. So that will be my removable motor mount. The rudder, I'm thinking of using just this bracket and making a whole new rudder out of fiberglass. I'm not going to use any water cooling. I don't need this big thick dimension here, to hide cooling piping in. And I don't like that this arm is not in line with that. And I have another offset servo arm that I may just use with the next generation rudder. We shall see. I might even use the rarest of the rare that this came off of, as a matter of fact. Joe Solinger Mini Hardware. Mini Hydro Hardware. We'll have to see. That's some pretty scarce stuff. I don't think Joe's around anymore. And I got that from him a long time ago. So anyway, there you go. It's Dr. Jet jacking his jaw this time. Anyway, I thought I'd let you guys know how I'm exactly duplicating this. Yeah, you could build two of them here, but they'll never be as perfect as this. You can see every little curve, and quite frankly, where's my pointer? Oh, there. Quite frankly, the alignment of these two uprights and these two uprights is really critical. They've got to be exactly where they are, because if this is off any, the boom's going to be off, and the same thing with this. If this is off, the motor's going to be off. So, it's got to be right there. Look at that. Look how that fits. I'm pulling the whole thing off. So it's a snug fit in there, but it's going to work. And then it'll get some bracing in here as it slides in. Actually, I think the bracing will be on this side because it'll crash with the motor on that side. So it'll get a brace in here and maybe a short brace here and here, just because it's going to be a slide-in motor mount. I want it supported as much as possible, but I also don't want to add any more weight than necessary. That may be good enough to hold it right there, because, we'll see. We'll see. So be it. Anyway, there's a little update from deep within the Stinkbugwerks, the super secret agency of Dr. Jet Laboratories. Anyway, Jet out.